This week the Bitcoin was jumping around this area of resistance and support 103,366, and we can see the price was trying to move up, then move down, then returning back inside this small range area around this area of the daily support and resistance, and we can see that by the end of the week, and that means yesterday, the price was squeezing around inside small, even smaller range area. A weekly time frame shows us that we are currently in the bearish candle mode, but we have 2 more days until this week closes. But what we can see that after the previous week has closed as a bullish breakout, the price tried to move further down, testing the previous resistance, now acting as support, but the price did not manage to go all the way back down to this area of support 98,880. The price has bounced back up, but we will see in the next 2 days what happens. On the monthly time frame, this still stays the same and nothing changes because the price is still forming a bullish breakout above this area of resistance. So compared to the previous week, nothing has changed. So we can go to the weekly and the daily to see how the price could go in the next week, what we can expect. In the next 2 days, we'll see how the weekly time frame will close. Will the price stay above this area of support, which is much more likely, and I can see that there is no strength from the bears to push the price even further down, going even below this area of support, which could invalidate this bullish breakout and could suggest further decline in value. Until that happens, everything still stays bullish, but we can see on the daily time frame that we have here indecision between the buyers and the sellers, which needs to be broken in any of the direction to allow the price to move in direction to the down or direction to the up. Now if we go here and take a look here, what is the next resistance? The next resistance is 108,328.53, and that below support is 98, almost 10,000 difference. But we'll see. First of all, we need to see how the price will behave around this area of resistance and support, and we can see on the 4-hour time frame that the price is trying to move outside of this range between 105 and below that 101. It is bouncing back up and down, trying to move in any of direction and find the strength. For now, there is no enough strength, but we can see that currently we are in the bullish trend, which is currently stopping for a while, just like in this example. If we take a look here, it is very similar to this chart combination, like in this case, and then when the breakout happens, like in this example, this will allow the price to move further up. But also we can see that in the previous example, this support needed to hold for a while and hold this bearish breakout, suggesting further decline, to allow the price to rise in value. So this is something that we need to watch next week, and we will see what happens. Will the price manage to make a bullish or bearish breakout? Feel free to join the premium analysis inside that group. I also share the details when the breakout happens, when there is a breakout targeting up or down, and also share the target, what is the target of that breakout. Feel free to check that. You get information during the day for the daily, for the 1-hour time frame, and also for the 4-hour time frame whenever there is a bullish or bearish breakouts. That's all for this week. See you next time, and happy trading.
That is all from today's analysis. I hope you enjoyed. If you have any question, feel free to leave a comment. If you like the analysis, click the like button and subscribe. See you next time, and a happy trading.